Hello, I'm Shreyas Venkatraman. My roll number is 21CY10039. In this project, I contributed to all aspects regarding the code. So it consisted of two components. One was the code connecting the machine learning model to the Arduino component of the project, and the second was the machine learning face mask detection part itself. So these were my contributions to the project.
Hello, I am Vatsal Mahajan. My roll number is 21NA10040 and I help with the managing, presentations and ideation of the project.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreyansh Kumar Sharma and my roll number is 21MA10058 and in the DIY group 8. I helped my team in finding the best fit model for our machine learning project and also some other coding related areas.
Hello everyone, I am Rushikesh Khandatur. My roll number is 21NA313. My contribution to this project is management stuff and video editing. Thank you.
So, hello everyone, my name is Harsh. My roll number is 21PH10017 and I was the hardware guy. So, I have assembled the project. Thank you.